Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So, you've already seen the video about the Hellcat, RIP. Now we're headed to Oklahoma. We still have the Hellcat, but we're getting rid of the truck today. Let's go see what we're gonna get instead.
I told you sleepy cat, man. Sleepy cat.
No, I don't want anything. Looking cute, girl. Filling up some diesel before we head to Oklahoma City. Probably the last time filling up this truck. Well, just kidding, gets shitty gas mileage. Probably fill up once or twice more. Probably twice.
Incident number one.
So we're saying bye to the ugly Ram 2500. Saying hello to this sexy black 2019 Laramie 1500. Look at those lights. So it's freezing balls. 10 o'clock. The dealership closed 2 hours ago. We'll go over the details with you guys here in just a second. We'll make a video on it, but Kendall?
Yeah.
She likes the black truck. Woo!
Just kidding. Wow.
This thing's insane. So we'll do a full review. I mean, I already have a video on this truck, but since I now own this one, this is a 2019 Laramie 1500. It's not the Longhorn, which I'm so glad about because I don't have cowboy stuff anymore in my truck. But we'll go over full details, why I got the truck, and all the cool amenities about it, and what's the difference between this and the Longhorn or the Limited, because this does have a few less options. And Kennedy's Snapchatting us right now. But this was the, I think Motor Trend or whoever does it, truck of the year for the half-ton trucks. This truck is awesome. It drives so nice. Obviously, when you compare it to a diesel, it's totally different. But I've driven a lot of 1500s, half-tons, whatever you want to call them. And this truck is way beyond its competition. So we'll do a full review on it, and we'll talk about why we got the truck in another video. But I did just take delivery of the 2019 Ram 1500 Laramie Edition in black. Super excited. It's, what time is it? 11:30, I think.
11:30.
It's 11:30. So we were there till about, what, 10:30?
Yeah.
We were there till about 10:30. The dealership closed at 8. So we drove to Oklahoma to get the truck. That's just who had the best deal on it, so we decided to drive 4 hours to Oklahoma and pick it up. It was a fun road trip with Ken Dog. And now we're at Jack in the Box, gonna get some food and head back to the house. And yeah. So hopefully you guys like the truck. A lot of cool videos coming on this one. Make sure you always comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Bambi39. We'll see you guys on the next one.